We live in the Milky Way galaxy, an empire made up of billions of stars. But how did we get here, and what will our future hold? Every question is related to the existence of the galaxy itself. So what is this galaxy after all? How are they born? And how does it end? We'll know everything in today's video. This is our galaxy, the Milky Way. It is approximately 1,200 crore years old. It resembles a large disk with helical sides, although it is just one of the hundreds of millions of galaxies that exist in the vast universe. Galaxies are a group of stars, several billions of stars. On average, a galaxy can contain up to 10 billion stars, which is a huge number. There are several billion such stars present in our Milky Way galaxy, and around most of them there are systems of planets and moons. If you talk about our solar system, there are 8 planets and about 300 moons. So now you can easily guess how many planets and moons may be present in our galaxy Milky Way. But for a long time, we knew nothing about galaxies. If we talk about just a century ago, we simply believed that our Milky Way galaxy is the entire universe and there is nothing else beyond it. Then in 1924, astronomer Sir Edwin Hubble refuted this when he looked into the distant sky with the most advanced telescope of that time and found that large clusters of stars were present in the distant sky. He immediately understood that it was nothing but another galaxy. This discovery made all the scientists of that time think. Then within the next year we came to know that there are crores of such galaxies which are beyond our Milky Way galaxy. This is the Whirlpool Galaxy. It has 2 huge coil-like arms. It is home to approximately 16 crore stars. What you see now is Galaxy M87, a giant galaxy that is one of the few oldest giant galaxies in the universe. Its specialty is that its stars shine golden. And this is the Sombrero Galaxy, a disk with a huge glowing core surrounded by a cloud of gas and dust. These galaxies are much larger. You can understand it like this, that here on Earth we measure distance in kilometers. Scientists use light years to measure distances in the universe. This is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is a really huge number because the speed of light is the fastest in the universe. Our Milky Way galaxy itself is spread across about 1 lakh light years. If this seems like a big number to you too, then let us tell you that this is nothing compared to the other galaxies out there. Our neighboring galaxy Andromeda spans 2 million light years, twice the size of the Milky Way, while M87 is a giant elliptical galaxy that is much larger than Andromeda. But even M87 is nothing compared to it. This is IC 1011, which is 60 times the size of our Milky Way. We know that galaxies are huge and they are everywhere, but where did these galaxies come from? How were they born? Well, we don't have any exact information about this. All we know is that in the beginning, when the universe expanded, galaxies were not there, which means that it must have been made later only. Gravity is needed for stars to form, and even more gravity is needed to keep those stars in one place in the galaxy. When scientists studied the center of the Milky Way, they found that a giant black hole was present in its center. Such a big black hole that is pulling the stars of the galaxy towards itself. From this, we understood how galaxies were formed. This supermassive black hole is the center of almost every galaxy and is responsible for maintaining the wires like this. However, when scientists created an exact copy of the Milky Way in computer simulation, they found that even the gravity of this black hole is not enough to keep the stars in one place. So a theory came up that there is a mysterious gravitational force that is responsible for keeping them like this. It was named dark matter, a force that exists in the universe but cannot be seen, although it is responsible for the balance of the universe. Its existence is necessary, and it keeps even large groups of galaxies in one place. Yes, galaxies exist in small clusters and thus are part of a larger universe that looks like the roots of a giant tree. Now, many of you must be wondering how these galaxies end. So let me tell you that when a galaxy stops producing stars, the existing stars gradually start dying, and eventually the light of that galaxy goes away and it comes to an end. Now, you must have understood how important the galaxy is as a pillar of this universe. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.